All right, I have the door back off again because I'm still really tight to this. But instead of going ahead and cutting another piece of this, I really hate using that the saw. I hate saws. I'm going to what I found is I had this. You can adjust this in and out, and right now I had it kind of in the middle, so I went ahead and adjusted it all the way out, and that should be enough. I only needed like an eighth to a quarter, so that was almost a quarter after I adjusted this out to the maximum that can use. We will see when I get it back on there. Right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cut out my window and then get the skyline plastic, which is this here, on there. Okay, what I did is I went around it with the multi-tool around the inside, and I was able to get a good percentage of it. And then what I did, I came back with a Sawzall and I cut out the pattern that I still had left that I couldn't reach with the blade. If I had a 5-inch blade, I wouldn't have had no problem, but 4-inch blade just doesn't get all the way down. So now I'll flip it over, and then of course I'll have to use the grinder to clean everything up. Alright, here we go. I got it all grinded down where I wanted it. Sides are done the way I want it. I've got to pull my white. My screws back out. Okay. Hook these up about an inch apart. So I'm not going to put the screws in nice and tight. That's all there is to it. You could cut this so it slide underneath it, I guess. I wanted to make it waterproof, I guess. That is a thought, but I'm not really worried about it because it is a porch. Of course, if you wanted to put silicone sealant underneath it, you could do that. tape measure. I like where I put that. Like that. 2 inches. Inches. There we go. All right. Keep that down. All right. I like it. There we go. All right, next endeavor is get a rehung again. Alrighty. Always add more screws. Add more screws later. Keep 2 left for us. Man. Yeah. Under here. Okay. What's that? Oh, wheel. Okay, back wheels. The nut. The nut is too high. I'll move her. Dang it. Nope. It's too high. It's catching. Actually holding the track. Son of a god. Front's great. Rear's not. Alright. Alright, we tightened it up and all the way back one more time. And that's gonna be good. Beautiful. All right. Snag it on the bottom there. Shave that down just a little bit with the grinder. I like it. Alrighty. I want to get a minute. I'm going to trim this out. I'll trim it out with brown. I'll get trim brown siding. It'll blend in with that. And this will be its own. The door will be all by itself. And you'll never even, other than the window. The windows are set about the same height, so. Okay. Beautiful. All right. Now we are. Now we can see everything going on out in the yard at night. Oh, the next thing I need to do is I gotta make me a doggy door down here. That's my next little project for this, so I can keep the door shut and the dogs can go in and out. All right. Sweet. All right. Here we are. That project is done. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and we'll catch you on the next Dana Crosby's projects around the house.